Greetings from Radha. In video 1, we have seen AI versus verification and validation, and we have also understood that use case is very important for AI, Gen AI, and prompt engineering. So let's quickly look into the what is a use case. So why use case? Why not the business requirement? Business requirement is in English language and it's all about the business. The software person may not be able to develop straight away using the business requirement documents, and it is important to write the use cases. So use case is a user action system response. Somebody who are actually in the business has to look into the how the business happens, and the software engineer has to convert that business into the simple steps. For example, user enters the ID password, then system displays a dashboard. User clicks on available balance, system displays INR 1234. User clicks on logout, system should log out and say thank you. So this is what a regular business, right? Somebody walks in, they buy something, they pay, and then they exit. So that's what we have to do it in the system. So now quickly looking at what can happen at various stages. What can happen at various stages? There is an actor, okay, who is a buyer, who is coming and buying, and there is a seller who is actually selling, and there is an helper. So there could be a lot of people. Look at a bank. There is a maker, checker, and there is a cashier. There is a branch manager. So we call them as a actors. And there is an activity diagram. Each one of them do a certain activity. So we have to cover all of them into the use cases. And then we should talk about precondition, post-condition, positive flow and negative flow. So what if you have a balance but system is not displaying the balance? So all these things should be discussed and written a use case. So if we can write a good use case, that good use case can be converted into a good prompt, and from a good prompt we can get the high level design, low level design, and coding. And how do you do testing for that? We'll keep discussing, and we'll start looking at a set of use cases which are very important in developing a banking system. So we'll all come together and develop a banking system. Thank you.